Hello, auto care leadership and industry leadership. It's my privilege to welcome all of you to our second Connect conference. I particularly want to thank our title sponsors, Arity, Epicor, PC Bennett Solutions, S&P Global Mobility, and Tasco for their undying support of our industry. I also want to take into account the milestone that Connect really it is. It brings together all facets of the industry to work together to solve industry problems and create solutions that we can bring to the industry long term. I recommend that all of you explore something new at this conference, meet somebody different, go to a new committee meeting, and help expand yourself and subsequently the industry. Thank you all for taking the time away from your businesses and your jobs to support our fantastic industry. Have a great week.